Prime Minister has attacked the opposition on Agniveer politics. Opposition is trying to mislead the youth, is what the Prime Minister said a while ago at the Kargil War Memorial. Agnipath scheme not to save pension cost. Opposition is politicizing the forces in Agniveer. Work for Rashtra Niti, not Rajniti, says the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister taking on the opposition for criticizing the Agniveer scheme. Remember, the opposition collectively has been up in arms against the Agniveer scheme of the government. The Prime Minister has in fact asked the opposition to focus on Rashtra Niti and not Rajniti. Opposition is politicizing our forces, is what the Prime Minister has said. The Agnipath scheme or the Agniveer scheme is not to save the pension cost, says the Prime Minister. He's hit out at the opposition after a series of attacks have been launched by the opposition against the Agnipath and the Agniveer scheme. Some of them even going on to say that they would want it to be scrapped. Listening to what the Prime Minister said earlier.
सेना द्वारा किए गए जरूरी रिफॉर्म्स का एक उदाहरण अग्निपथ स्कीम भी है। दशकों तक संसद से लेकर अनेक कमेटी तक में सेनाओं को युवा बनाने पर चर्चाएं होती रही है। भारत के सैनिकों की औसत आयु, एवरेज एज, ग्लोबल एवरेज से ज्यादा होना, ये हम सबकी चिंता बढ़ाता रहा है। इसलिए ये विषय बरसों तक अनेक कमिटियों में भी उठा, लेकिन देश की सुरक्षा से जुड़ी इस चुनौती के समाधान की पहले इच्छा शक्ति नहीं दिखाई गई। शायद कुछ लोगों की मानसिकता ही ऐसी थी कि सेना मतलब नेताओं को सलाम करना, परेड करना। हमारे लिए सेना मतलब 140 करोड़ देशवासियों की आस्था। हमारे लिए सेना मतलब 140 करोड़ देशवासियों की शांति की गारंटी। हमारे लिए सेना मतलब देश की सीमाओं को सुरक्षा की गारंटी। अग्निपथ योजना के जरिए देश ने इस महत्वपूर्ण सपने को एड्रेस किया है। अग्निपथ का लक्ष्य सेनाओं को युवा बनाना है। अग्निपथ का लक्ष्य सेनाओं को युद्ध के लिए निरंतर योग्य बनाए रखना है। दुर्भाग्य से राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा से जुड़े इतने संवेदनशील विषय को कुछ लोगों ने राजनीति का विषय बना दिया है। कुछ लोग सेना के इस रिफॉर्म पर भी अपने व्यक्तिगत स्वार्थ में झूठ की राजनीति कर रहे हैं।
Already heard there from the Prime Minister today on the occasion of the Kargil Vijay Divas, where he's hit out at the opposition, warning Pakistan as well on Kargil Divas. He's spoken about crushing terrorism with full force. He's hit out at the opposition for politicizing the Agnipath recruitment scheme, saying that they were deliberately misleading the youth, is what the Prime Minister said. He spoke about the fact that this is not to save pension and that the opposition is deliberately misinforming and misleading the people of the country, particularly the youth. It is not to save pension cost. The opposition is indulging in Rajniti. They should be working for Rashtra Niti instead, is what the Prime Minister said. He's issued a stern warning as well to Pakistan on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, saying India would defeat every terror challenge. Going straight to my colleague Ashraf, who's getting asked more details on that story, warning to Pakistan, but also Ashraf today, telling the opposition essentially about the fact that Agniveer is a scheme not to save pension cost, as is being alleged by the opposition, is what the Prime Minister said.
Yes, absolutely, Saniha, and the Prime Minister clearly said that the kind of propaganda which has been issued by the opposition political parties, particularly against the Agniveer scheme, which was brought with a lot of consultations in the 7th round of talks with consultation with all the army experts as well as the security experts, and that scheme was brought for the betterment and development of youth and to empower the Indian Army. But the opposition political parties, particularly Congress, has targeted that scheme, and they are playing with the morale of the armed forces as well as with the youths of the country. The Prime Minister also, from that line of control area, targeted to the Pakistan when in the start he said that all should chant the Jai Hind so that the people across these mountains will listen it. And that was clearly indication that across mountain is Pakistan because it is the area which is situated on the line of control. So categorically, Prime Minister tried and also decided to target opposition as well as to boost the morale of armed forces which are deployed in the large numbers here in the sector, either with the line of actual control in Ladakh with China and LOC with Pakistan.
Be with us. In fact, Ashraf, I'll come back to you in a moment from now. The Prime Minister's hit out at the opposition, talking about their criticism of the Agnipath pension scheme, saying this is being done to mislead the youth of the country and that the opposition must be focusing rather on Rashtra-niti and not Rajniti. Listen into what he said.
प्राइवेट सेक्टर और पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस में भी अग्निवीरों को प्राथमिकता देने की घोषणाएं की है। मैं तो हैरान हूं, कुछ लोगों की समझ को क्या हुआ है, उनकी सोच को क्या हो चुका है। ऐसा भ्रम फैला रहे हैं कि सरकार पेंशन के पैसे बचाने के लिए ये योजना लेकर आई है। मैं जरा ऐसे लोगों की सोच से शर्म आती है, लेकिन मैं ऐसे लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूं, जरा कोई मुझे बताए, आज मोदी के शासनकाल में जो भर्ती होगा, क्या आज ही उसको पेंशन देना है क्या? उसको पेंशन देने की नौबत 30 साल के बाद आएगी, और तब तो मोदी 105 साल का हुआ होगा, और तब न भी मोदी की सरकार होगी। क्या मोदी जब 105 साल का होगा, 30 साल के बाद जो पेंशन बचेगा, उसके लिए मोदी ऐसा राजनीतिक है जो आज गाली खाएगा? क्या तर्क दे रहे हैं? लेकिन साथियों, मेरे लिए दल नहीं, देश सर्वोपरि है।